99 acres to collect the details for my own leads, and whenever I receive a new lead detail from 99 acres, instantly the lead details are added in my spreadsheet. Give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. So to do this, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. You can add up to 100 of leads from your 99 acres to Google Sheets for free. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard and click on this create workflow button. Then click on this create using a quick builder. If you are a new user, you're going to find this window right over here. Just simply type 99 acres to sheets and then simply send this right over here. If you use any another application like housing.com, Magic Bricks, you can type that right over here and it is analyzing your request. So just wait for a few seconds, select the events right over here and then click on this approve and create and then open workflow. Your workflow is created successfully. Now you just have to connect your applications, then you're good to go. So in order to connect 99 acres, just open 99 acres and copy this webhook URL. Click on this recapture webhook response and then yes. Now to automate the lead capture, you have to give this webhook URL to your team of 99 acres. So you have an account manager of 99 acres. Ask them to add this webhook URL in your account because 99 acres doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to give this account URL, which is this webhook URL, to your account manager only. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, your details of your leads will be started capturing over here as the webhook response. I've already added this webhook URL, so let me just capture the details of my own leads. And as you can see that I have received the lead details right over here. You can see the first name, last name, phone, email, and the rest of the details. Now I'm just going to add this in my Google Sheets. For that, I'm just going to open my Google Sheets, click on this connect, and then add a new connection. Then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this allow. Give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe and secure with us. After you create this connection, you just have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here for which you want to create this automation. So as you can see, this is the spreadsheet and this is the sheet. Now one by one, I'm just going to enter the lead details right over here. But the hack over here is that you do not have to enter the lead details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all these details. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details right over here, and then map it like this. After mapping all the details, click on the save and send test request button and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we've added the lead details in our spreadsheet. And the details are added right over here like this. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, instantly the lead details will be added to my Google Sheets. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you like Pabbly Connect, do not forget this RITUIT, which is my discount coupon code. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.